Hi, this is Akash, and today I'll show you how to install Invidious on your UGREEN NAS. With Invidious, you'll be able to watch YouTube without Google tracking down what you're watching, who you are, and things like those. Since there is no tracking, there are no advertisements either, so you can watch YouTube with 100% privacy. One thing though, Invidious is not an official YouTube product, which means that Google may either block it or may limit it. So it's not 100% guaranteed to work, but it works beautifully when it does. So this is the kind of installation we are looking at. If you search for anything and you search for it, you will see that the search results don't have any adverts. And if you click on any of the videos, you will see that they will start to run immediately without any ads, right? There are no ads here at all. And you can see all the metadata, you can see all the comments, etc. Right? So we'll do this using the official Invidious installation method. We'll use a Docker Compose file. Based on their Docker Compose file, I have created one of my own. And this is the Compose file we'll use. You will find the link to this in description section. Before this, we need a few things. Number one, we need a 16-digit long secret key that we need to use here and here. All right, so line 18 and 49, you will see these two places we need a 16-digit key. The official method to do that is with pwgen, but on Windows you don't have pwgen, so the easiest method I have found is just go to any password generator and generate a 16 character long key. Make sure there are no symbols in that. So you'll have uppercase, lowercase, and numbers. Okay, you will get a key. You can copy it here. The same 16-digit key that you have here, you will copy it here as well. And then we need a 32-digit key here. This also I have created using the same password generator, just 32 characters long, and this is it. All right. One more thing we need. If you see here, I have mounted config SQL and Docker. Okay, these two directories I need because these two directories are first time required to create your database. So we go to the Invidious official repository. We click on code and we download the zip file. Okay, once the zip file is downloaded, you can just extract it. And on extracting, you will see that inside this you have Docker and config. These two have to be uploaded to your project directory. Okay. So again, what we need 16-digit long password. We need a 32 character long password, and we need these files. And these we need Docker and config. So let's go to our okay, I'll just delete the previous project so that there are no confusions. All right. Go to your file manager, create a new directory. Inside this directory, we need config and Docker to be uploaded, right? We will also create a directory called postgresdata. Creating this manually here takes care of any permission issues that you might have later. So postgresdata, and we also have the cache here, companion cache. All right, so now two directories we created on our own: postgresdata, companion cache. Docker and config has got data inside them. This we downloaded from their GitHub repository and uploaded them onto here. Okay, now this is the directory that we need to use, and we also used a 16-digit long password, the same password we used in server secret key and companion key, and we used one HMAC key which is 32 characters long. Now let's copy this Go to Docker, create a project. If you give this the name Invidious, then it will automatically take the same directory that you had earlier used. If not, you can select the directory. Make sure that the directory you're selecting is the directory which has Docker, config, and the 2 folders that you had created. Confirm it. Fill in your YAML. Deploy. All created. Okay. If everything is hunky-dory, you will get. Okay, there was an error. We just saw an error there. Okay, no errors now. Click on this. 3000 is the port that we had used. Yes, it's working. Let's see again if we can get some results. Yep, and yes sir, it works. So yes, this is it. With this now, this is basically a privacy first tool. Many people like also that they don't get ads with it, but the primary user of this NVIDIA says that you can watch videos without Google tracking you down, right? So this is it. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to ask them in the comment box and I always reply. Thank you.